Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Cinema with Seth. If you hate the image that is on your screen right now, don't worry, I do too. This is the image that most people are gonna get whenever they pull out their phone, pull out their camera, just turn it on. They're gonna rely on what is in the room with them. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna create this image to make it look a million times better than it does right now. So come on, let's go ahead, get started. I'm gonna kill all the lights and we're gonna start from there. All right, so we have killed all of the lights and obviously this isn't gonna do, you can't make out any of the detail on my face. We still have our practical lights and our natural light, and that is really the only light that we have. So I'm gonna go one by one and we are gonna add a key light. We are going to add a fill light and we are gonna add a backlight, which is already kind of there, but I am going to motivate this blue light almost as like a hair light shining on the back of my head. I'm gonna motivate my key light to be warmer, like it is coming from this here lamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the key light. All right, so already we are starting to look much better than we did before, but you know, this is a pretty basic look. We have a GVM 200D right here, about 45 degrees from me, a little bit above the eye line. This is called Rembrandt lighting, and honestly, you can kind of just stop here, and a lot of people do. It's easy to set up. You just need one light. Super cool, but we're gonna take it a step further. We're gonna do a 3-point lighting setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the key light here, and we're gonna go to our fill light, which is gonna bring in and lighten up the shadows on the side of my face. We have kind of done the complete opposite with a different color of light. I've tried to match this 5600 Kelvin up here. Like this side of my face is being motivated, but as you'll notice, I kind of have that Da Vinci triangle. These are just, you know, basically coming in on me just like this. Now this is what that's gonna look like whenever we pair our key light and our fill light. We're not gonna have as many shadows on the side of our face. All right, so this is with just my key light and just my fill light. It's a lot more balanced. We have way less dramatic shadows on the face. Now I'm going to kill both of these, the key and the fill, and we're gonna just use our hair light or our backlight. So this is just my backlight. We've got some on the shoulder, not as much on the face. There is a little bit, but mainly it's just hitting the chair here, the arm, and my shoulder. So now whenever we combine all three, we get a much better and more pleasing image. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I love all of you. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you for watching this until the end. And if you've been around for a while, thank you for coming back. Hope y'all have a great Halloween, and we will see y'all later.